On March 2, 2023, the 40-ton direct cooling block ice machine was officially installed and commissioned for the first time. The machine performed very well, and the quality of the ice was very firm and full. At the same time, the overall design exceeded the customer's expectations of a highly automated production line. Capacity: 40 tons per day, 2 shifts, 1 day. Ice block weight: 50 kilograms per block. Basic configuration: Hanbell screw compressor, evaporative condenser, R22 refrigerant, 2 sets of independent ice pushing machines, 1 lifting work platform. This design perfectly solves the problem of loading and unloading ice blocks, greatly reduces the labor load from ice blocks to loading trucks, and is compatible with all different types of transport vehicles. In order to completely solve the problem of shipping block ice to the truck and reduce the labor intensity of block ice handling, we have designed a unique structure for our customers. 1. The direct cooling block ice machine comes with a set of ice pushing machine, which is responsible for pushing the ice blocks into the cold storage as a whole. 2. An ice pushing machine that can be lifted up and down is installed at the entrance and exit of the cold storage, which is responsible for the movement of ice blocks in the cold storage, and is pushing the ice blocks to the lifting platform for loading and unloading in batches. 3. A liftable loading and unloading operation platform is installed at the exit of the cold storage to adapt to the position and height of the truck. Compared with the traditional design of pushing ice into storage, our solution takes a big step forward in high automation. Adhere to technological innovation, solve problems for customers, and create value for customers. This is our unswerving original intention.